Welcome back to our Excel Basics course. Today, we're diving into a key skill that can instantly improve the readability of your spreadsheets: panel alignment. You'll see how aligning different types of data, such as numbers, names, departments, and nodes, can make your Excel sheets look much neater and more professional. First, we focus on the number column, centering the values so they stand out clearly. Next, we align the names to the left, giving a natural reading flow. For the department column, we align the text to the right, creating balance. Finally, the notes are centered to maintain consistency and clarity. We also show you how to merge cells where needed, especially useful for grouping related data under one header. Adding a splash of color or fill can help emphasize important parts of your table. This simple but powerful alignment technique will help you create spreadsheets that are easier to read and impress anyone who views your data. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to continue mastering Excel and build your skills step by step, don't forget to enroll in our full Excel course. Links and resources are in the description below.